Welcome students in the organic chemistry lecture series. Today in this video we are going to study about this new reaction of alkene, that is hydroboration of alkenes. Now what is this hydroboration of alkenes, that I will explain in detail in this video. It is actually oxidation of alkenes, oxidation of alkenes to alcohol in presence of borane. Okay, so what is borane? It is BH3. So in general, what I can say, suppose I have RCH double bond CH2. Okay, so in presence of B2H6, okay, that is diborane, and second condition is H2O2 NaOH. Okay, so in presence of these two conditions, I will get RCH2 CH2OH. That means alkenes are converted into their corresponding alcohols. Okay. Similarly, if I take another, for example, R CH2 CH2 CH double bond CH2 like this, then also if I take the same conditions like B2H6, okay, and second condition is H2O2 NaOH, okay, again you will get this product R CH2 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 OH. So what important thing which you have to remember is that here there is always oxidation of this terminal carbon, here this carbon and here this carbon. That means the addition of this OH group is as per anti-Markovnikov rule, as per anti-Markovnikov addition. So you remember that always the terminal alkenes are get oxidized by using this method as per anti-Markovnikov rule. So you will find that OH group always comes at a terminal and the carbon which is having more number of hydrogens. So this is the hydroboration reaction of alkene. Now how this reaction is carried out, that we will see. How the alkenes are converted into their alkoxyborane and then their oxidation, that we will see. So you just have to remember that it is the oxidation of alkenes to the corresponding alcohol in presence of borane, which is called as hydroboration of alkenes. See these two reactions, you can take this group as anything and you will find that such type of alcohols are formed by using such kind of starting material and reaction conditions. Now I will take a simple alkene, say for example ethene CH2 double bond CH2, and then I will explain this reaction how it happens. Now first of all, this alkene, that is ethene, reacts with this BH3 borane. Okay, now what happens, one of the hydrogen of this borane is replaced by this CH2 double bond CH2 group in this way, for example CH3 CH2 BH2. So what this compound can be called as it is monoalkyl borane, right? Monoalkyl borane. Okay, this monoalkyl borane will again react with another molecule of alkene in this way to form dialkene borane. Okay, CH3 CH2 BH CH2 CH3. Again this dialkyl borane react with third molecule of alkene to form this CH3 CH2. Okay, now this will be 3 times, I will write here and here is boron. So the name of this compound will be trialkyl borane. Trialkyl borane. Now further what happened? This trialkyl borane undergoes oxidation in presence of H2O2. Okay, oxidation in presence of H2O2 to form trialkoxyborane. So like this, CH3 CH2O. Okay, now this will be three times borane. What is the name of this? This is trialkoxyborane. And this trialkoxyborane on reaction with aqueous alkali, that is NaOH, finally we get the CH3 CH2OH. Okay, we get this compound finally. So we'll get 3 moles of this CH3 CH2OH plus boron hydroxide as a side product. So this is the mechanism of this reaction. I can say mechanism of hydroboration. So once again I will explain. See, first of all you have to take the alkene. Now here I have taken the ethene. Okay, ethene. This will react with this borane, and there is a formation of monoalkyl borane in first step. Then second molecule of alkene will react with this monoalkyl borane to form this dialkyl borane. Again the third molecule of alkene will react with this dialkyl borane to form this trialkyl borane, and this trialkyl borane finally on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide it will result in the formation of trialkoxyborane, which on treatment with aqueous NaOH there is a formation of alcohol and this BOH taken thrice, that is boron hydroxide. So what is the final reaction? Final reaction will be, see, just you have to take CH2 double bond CH2 and on arrow there will be first condition BH3, or it is like B2S6, both are same. So BH3 will be first condition and second condition will be H2O2 oxidation, and then third there is a NaOH, and you get finally the product CH3 CH2OH, and side product is boron trioxide. Okay, so this is the hydroboration reaction of alkenes, I can say, and this is the mechanism of this reaction. You have to take the alkene, you have to convert that alkene first into trialkyl borane, and then on H2O2 oxidation it will be converted into trialkoxyborane, which on treatment with base it will form the alcohol, corresponding alcohol. This is very important method, remember, this is important method of oxidation of alkenes, because we get terminal alcohols by using this method. Okay, so this method is used to prepare the terminal alcohol. So this is all about the hydroboration reaction of alkenes. So today we'll stop here and we'll meet in the next video with new concept of this topic. Okay, so till have a nice day. Thank you.